It's an unboxing of the GrowLine 720 from RDJ Bouns. Looks like it had quite a traumatic experience during the shipping. I don't know what kind of abuse it endured, but let's just hope everything's intact. They packed it really good, so that's awesome. Yeah, I'm not quite used to that. Last light I ordered from Schlux was beat up, to say the least. Wow. And there, power cord. Oh wow, this driver's got an IP rating of 67. It's incredible. Most drivers are generally rated at about 54, and they call that waterproof. Or less, honestly. I'll keep this box intact. Look at that. That's incredible. Yeah, this is definitely not a cheap light. This is fantastic. Very, very pleased with this build. This is incredible. Very, very well packaged. They take pride in their work. Like I said, the last, I'll show pictures of it, honestly, because I'm salty about their customer service. I mean, it's one thing to blame it on Amazon. Schlux blamed everything that was wrong with that last light. The light was used, obviously used, and it was damaged. But they blamed it on Amazon, but they didn't try to make it right. You know what I'm saying? Like, why wouldn't you fix it? You know, so just passing blame. Yeah, this is a beautiful build. Fantastic. All right.